Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if your goal is to be more organized, then you are going to love this glass dry erase board from QUEENLINK. This one is black. It looks so sleek, and it honestly looks like a tablet when there's nothing written on it. I love that it has the wooden stand. You can choose to have it upright, just like a picture, or you can have it laying down. It comes with a blue and a white marker. It also comes with erasers, but I've had the most success with just a wet rag. You dry it off and it looks good as new. This is awesome to keep on your desk, to keep notes during the day, reminders, if you're on a call and you need to write something down. I use this all the time for that. It's also great just all around the house. If you have a to-do list, a grocery list, you want to leave notes for somebody, this is a really convenient, awesome way to do it. I love the size and how modern it looks. It's a really nice quality, especially in this black color. I just think it's great, but they do have it in white as well. So if you want a convenient spot to keep notes, but you want it to also be a piece of decor, I think this dry erase board is an awesome choice, and that's my point of view.